Hi guys, here's our harvest of carrots this year. We tried growing actually 6 different varieties, 2 bolted and 4 other actually grew, and here are the results. So you see all different colors of red and purple. So exciting. So we'll start off at left here. These carrots are called Atomic Red. They are not red, but you know, pinkish orangish red. These carrots are beautiful looking carrots. They are called plain purple carrots, and seeds are from M.I. Gardner. Over here we have carrots with seeds are from Johnny Seeds, and it's called Deep Purple. And these ones, the most dark looking one, are called Black Nebula, and seeds are from M.I. Gardner. What I wanted to show you guys is, once you cut these guys open, how do they look from inside? So here's the view of that. By the way, we just juiced some of these carrots along with other veggies from our gardener, so here's how the juice looks like. It's beautiful. And let's get into how these carrots look from inside when you cut them. So here are the inside of Atomic Red carrot. That's how they look like. Pretty much they carry the color throughout, and the core is yellowish. Let's move on to purple carrot from M.I. Gardner. So here's the purple carrot from M.I. Gardner, and you'd be surprised to see the outside color of the carrot is really great purple, but as soon as you cut the carrot open, it's your regular orange carrot. And here's Johnny's Deep Purple. So as you can see, the purple color carries out through the carrot, and the core of the carrot has a yellow ring, but again that converts into purple back into purple in the middle of the core. So that's Johnny's Deep Purple carrot. And this one is darkest of these all. This one is called Black Nebula, and the seeds are from M.I. Gardner. And look how the purple color carries throughout the carrot. Just a teeny tiny bit of the core is white. So that tells me it is full of anthocyanins. That's really good for you. So that was the review of 4 carrots which we actually successfully grew. And here they are, all 4 of them together, so that you can see the difference and diversity in one shot. They're really fun to grow. I mean, I planted these carrots really close to each other this year, and they didn't get huge, but that's a learning curve for me. I haven't grown carrots prior to this point. I'll definitely be growing some of these again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.